AI website that will blow your mind. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work. From automating tasks to generating content, AI websites are making artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work. From automating tasks to generating content, AI websites are making things easier, faster, and more efficient. But the real question is, what are the best AI websites that can help you in your daily life or even help you make money? In this video, I will show you the most powerful AI website that will completely change the way you use the internet. Some of these AI tools can help you create content, design image, generate videos, write code, and even start an online businesses. Watch till the end because some of these websites are truly mind blowing. Best AI website for content creation. One of the best advantage of AI is its ability to generate high quality content in second. Whether you are a writer, YouTuber, or business owners, AI powered website can help you create content much faster. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai can generate blog posts, social media caption, and marketing content instantly. These AI tools understand natural language and can write in a way that sounds just like a human. If you are into video content, AI video generation or generators like Pictory, Synthesis, and Hygiene allow you to create professional looking videos without needing a camera or microphones. These websites can generate AI avatars and voice over, making it easy to produce high quality videos in minutes. Best AI website for image and design. AI is also transforming graphic design. You no longer need to be a professional designer to create a stunning image, thumbnails, and logos. AI image generators like Midjourney, DAL.e, and Leonardo AI can turn text description into high quality image. These tools are used by artists, content creators, and businesses to create eye catching visuals. For those who need professional looking design without much effort, Canva AI and Adobe Firefly offer AI powered design tools that make creating logo, social media post, and presentation simple and quick. Best AI website for coding and development. AI is making coding easier than ever before. Even if you are not a programmer, AI powered coding assistant can help you write the deb- debug code effortably. GitHub Copilot is one of the most advanced AI tools for developers. It suggests code in real time, helping programmer writer write better and faster. If you want to build a website but don't know how to code, AI website builder like Durable and Framer. AI can create fully functional website with just a few clicks. These tools use AI to design, write content, and even optimize your website for search engines. Best AI website for automation and productivity. AI can also help you automate tasks, saving you time and effort. There are several AI powered websites that can boost your productivity and help you work smarter. Notion AI and TaskAid AI are great tools for managing tasks, brainstorming ideas, and automating workflow. They help you stay organized and boost productivity with AI generated suggestions. For automating repetitive tasks, Zapier and make AI content different apps or service, allowing you to create automated workflows without any coding. Best AI websites for businesses and marketing. If you are an entrepreneur or marketers, AI can help you grow your businesses faster. AI powered marketing tools can automate ad campaigns, analyze data, and optimize content. Chatbot like ChatGPT and ManyChat can handle customer service, answer inquiry, and improve engagement. Businesses are using these tools to automate sales and customer support. For AI driven market research, tools like SimilarWeb and Crayon use AI to crack competitions or track competition, analyze trends, and provide valuable businesses insight. Best AI website for AI voice and music generation. AI generate voice and music are revolutionize the entertainment industry, where you need voiceover for videos or AI generated music. There are websites that make it incredible easy. 11 Labs and Murph AI offer realistic AI voice generator that sound human. These are perfect for audiobooks, YouTube videos, and advertisement. If you are into music production, SoundDraw and Bomi can generate unique AI composed music, which you can use for projects, videos, or even sell online. Best AI website for learning and research. AI can also help you learn faster and find information more effectively. Some AI powered research tool can summarize artists, answer complex questions, and even help with academic writing. Elect AI and Consensus AI are great tools for researchers. They use AI to scan thousands of academic papers and provide well-researched answers. For a student, Wolfram Alpha and ChatGPT can help with solving math problems, writing essay, and understanding complex topics. AI websites are changing the way we work, create, and automate tasks. Whether you are a content creator, entrepreneur, a student, or just someone who wants to be more productivity, AI tool can make your life easier. The key is to start using these tools now. The more you explore AI, the better you will understand how it can benefit you. AI is not just the future, it is already here. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite AI website.